Hi everyone, I thought I'd share with you my unboxing video of a parcel I received this morning. I placed this order on fluidart.co for some piggies about 2 days ago, so it was a very fast delivery and I can't wait to see these new colours. These are colours that I don't have in my collection, and I ordered a few other little goodies. This is 150 milliliter squeeze bottles for my fluid paints, and you can get them in different sizes. That was a collection of 10, and these are paint spreaders and palette knives. I think I bought the jumbo and the ultimate set, and I really am looking forward to using these for a bloom swipe in the near future. And here are my piggies, this little piggy Pigments, and I bought all these beautiful colours. That was Ballet Slipper and Echo Vera, and this one, this beautiful vibrant pink, is Show Pony. And I also bought some tube paints. I've never used Atelier Interactive before, so I bought the copper and the blue black as well, and I can't wait to use these cell activators on my blooms. So some really exciting stuff here. I also bought some boom gel, which I've never used before, and I wanted to try it out for the first time. And I bought some Tri Art liquid glass because I want to try using, an alternative to resin for sealing my paintings. And these are some reusable mixing sticks to help me mix up my paints. I've been using glue sticks over in the UK so far, so they should be really useful. So I'll be using all these wonderful products in my artwork on my channel, Taslima Maya Art on YouTube. And that one is Parakeet, a beautiful lime colour. And then we have my favourite, Blue Eyes. So that's my second tub of Blue Eyes. And then I have this one, which I've not got already, Inferno, beautiful vibrant red. And then we have a bottle to mix paints in with two different nozzles. In terms of the squeeze bottles, I bought 10 of the 150ml and 10 of the 250ml. So I'm hoping to run a workshop here in the UK in March, and I'll be mixing my paints in advance, so everybody who's attending the workshop and participating can have easy access when it comes to showing them how to do different types of pours. So this is my entire collection. I absolutely love them, and I cannot wait to start mixing these up, particularly the tube paints for the CA. And I managed to use my birthday money to treat myself to the stuck-up piggy Pretentious as well, so I can't wait to try that out. So watch this space on my YouTube channel, Taslima Maya Art, and I will hopefully see you again on here soon.